In this video, I will be helping you with peep and creep. Now, in the driving world, what is peep and creep? First, I will explain, and then I will show you how it's done in practice. Okay, so what is peep and creep? So let's talk about what do I mean by peep and creep. Now, imagine you are coming up to the end of the road and you want to go left or you want to go right at this road, end of this road, okay? You are approaching, you looked at the mirrors, you put the signal on, and you approach, and from here, you see that you can't see both sides clearly, which means you will stop behind the giveaway line, and then you will decide to see if it's safe to go. So you go and stop there. So say you want to go right, you've signaled right, and you came here and you stopped. Now, the problem is you have a parked car here, and you have a parked car here. And because of those two vehicles, or maybe just one side, it is making the junction more closed, which means you can't see from here. And from there, you can't just go left and right because you're not sure who's coming and who's coming either way. Which means from here, you'll prepare your car and then you will peep and you will creep, which means do the clutch control or the brake control depending on the junction. If it's uphill or level, you'll do the clutch control, and if it's downhill, you'll do the brake control, and then you will peep and you will creep, which means you will peep to see and you will creep forward. Okay, so with the clutch control or brake control, you will go forward and you will make end of those cars as if you're end of the road. So you'll go there and then you will decide whether you can see or not. So from here, you'll peep and creep to this point, end of those cars, and then you decide to go if it's safe or not. So when I say peep and creep, what do I mean is you stop and then you peep and creep, meaning look, look, and keep going, look, look, and keep going until you come to this point when you can see safe, and then you go. Even when you come here, and if you think you can't see, then keep going, edging until you can see, then you go. So don't think if I go there and if I see somebody coming and if I stop, am I going to fail my test? No, you won't, because you have to go there to see if it's safe. Many, they think, oh, I'm in the middle of the road. Am I going to fail my test now? Well, if you don't go there because of those cars, you can't really see anything. So you have to go there by doing peep and creep from here to there. And then if it's safe, then you go. So that's what I mean about peep and creeping. Now, if you come here and there's cars coming and you just go front of them, obviously you will fail your test for observation. Many learners, they fail for observation because they go to a junction where they can't see and then they just go and there was somebody coming, and because of the learner, the other car is slowing down or stopping or changing direction because of the learner, and the examiner is failing them because of the observation. So make sure if you come up on those kind of junctions, you do peep and creep until it's safe, then you go. I hope this makes it clear. Now I'm going to show you how it's done in practice. If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. So as we drive on this road, as you can see, we are approaching an end of the road. And as you can see, it's closed on both sides. On the left, we can see there's a red van already parked. So we go to the end, and then we will see how the road is. Now, if we see on the left, there's a red van. And if we look on the right, there is another car already. So that means we can't really see. So what do? So we go and we stop behind the line. and then try to see if there is someone coming. We can't see anything. And this is where we peep and creep, meaning we go forward and we peep and we creep forward slowly. And we peep and we creep. We peep and we creep. Now there's a car coming, so we wait for that car. And then again, we keep looking, and now it's clear, and we go. Now again, we are approaching another road, end of the road, and as we can see, it looks is closed on both sides, which means we'll have to go to the end and see how the road is laid out. So we go to the end, and now we will see how the road is at the end. And here, if we look on our right, there is a van already waiting. And if we look on our left, we see there is a car. So which means we can't really see. So we have to edge forward, peep and creep to see if it's safe. And then we look on our right, and then we look on our left again. And now we see there is a car coming. So we will wait for that car to go. And then we will still peep and creep, keep going forward to see if it's safe. When it is, now it is, and we'll carry on. Okay, I hope this video helps, and this is only to give you an example so that you know how to deal with similar roads. So if you do come to the end of the road where you can't really see because of obstructions, vans, roadworks, cars, then use the technique of peep and creep and then see if it's safe and then go. I hope this helps. If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course.